yourself up and keep towards left. You don't keep it left. You use yourself with a fucking line. Well, I'm not surprised at that, and I'm not surprised.
There's a cemetery on the left. Well, that's good. You didn't look. Maybe use your indicator next time. Yeah. Maybe use your indicator next time and actually look in your mirror so you don't squash a cyclist.
I'm going to do that next time.
I think that's a good idea. Oh, we're all on the same page. Good stuff. Thank you, sir.
This afternoon, just remind us of the events leading up to Karen's disappearance.
Well, there was a huge search for Karen over the past few days after she went missing in the early hours of Sunday morning. She was last seen at the Sanctuary nightclub, which is in the west end of Glasgow. She said to friends that she was just dipping to the toilet and then she completely disappeared. Now, CCTV footage shows her outside the
cyclist.
There's one of the cars.
Yeah, that's them.
Yeah, look. He's getting out.
You're recording this?
Yeah. Where's old Billy? So?
And? He didn't hit you? Just annoy you, that's all.
Ready for Brexit today. Apply now for funding at intertradeIreland.com. Conditions apply. There's things in life. Ranges plus 0% finance still available. House proud. Stores province wide. Sale ends Monday.
Imagine yourself flying to Tokyo for your company induction during the first year of your new software engineering job with Rakuten. Rakuten Blockchain Lab is recruiting now in Northern Ireland. The Japanese word...
Turn left now. There's the book down. Are you okay? Won't start? Alright, can we push him to the side? Can we push him off the road? I'm just thinking if we push you across there, hey fellas, don't give him a push off the road. Yeah, he needs to come off the rotary. Yeah, he can't get... Go lane, turn lane. Yeah. Sorry? Yes. Yeah, you good, mate. Well done. Well done. Yeah. Yeah.